Hanspark is committed to reimagining and reshaping the world through technological innovation. We are a first-class machinery production company in China, where many high-tech dreams are nurtured. Our focus is on the production and support of industry standard, high-end machine tools and solutions for electrical discharge machining. HSPK tightly integrates the independent research, development, manufacturing, sales and service of EDM machines. Our goal is to achieve excellence in providing the best machinery solutions for the realization of any manufacturing dream achievable by EDM processing. The power of change lies in the strength and talent of our workforce. We work hard day and night, researching and creating innovative solutions to real-world problems. Professionalism, work ethic, and drive together define the culture of HSPK's first-class team. EDM system design and research expertise is our core competence. We possess a wide range of invention patents, utility model patents, appearance patents, and software copyrights. The strive for innovation and excellence across all our product lines is underscored by our strong dedication towards continuous improvement. The combination of strength, talent, research innovation, and passion in our workforce towards EDM excellence is the basis upon which HSPK will change the world. While our research capabilities enable new feature sets, it is our fine craftsmanship that produces superior high-quality products. HSPK manufactures to extremely high standards, with the spirit that every detail is a chance to make a difference. HSPK solutions are stable across a wide range of operating conditions, maintain a high degree of precision over its life cycle, and has thus been recognized by an increasing number of industry professionals and customers. Our first-class domestic reputation continues to grow as our sales spreads to Shanghai, Zhejiang, Jiangsu, Guangdong, Shandong, Anhui, and other Chinese markets. In addition, international interest has climbed exponentially as our EDM systems are currently being exported overseas to Korea, Russia, Thailand, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Mexico. As domestic market leader in EDM solutions, HSPK values and maintains a long-term partnership with thousands of customers across a wide range of applications in the aviation, aerospace, military, automotive, home appliances, and medical industries. Our professional staff, strong innovative capabilities, high production standards, and dedication to sales and support has enabled us to become the industry leader today. HSPK is recognized in the industry for adhering to the passion for quality and innovation. HSPK has attained the ISO 9001 Quality Management Certification as well as GJB 9001 C Weapons Equipment Quality Certification. We have won honorary titles such as Shanghai High-Tech Enterprise, Shanghai Jingshan Small Giants Corporation, Shanghai Specialized Special New SME, Shanghai Jingshan Enterprise Technology Center, and Shanghai Famous Brand Awards. HSPK is also helping pave the way to future by partnering with the universities. Recently, among these partnerships, a 6-axis linkage EDM machine jointly developed with Shanghai Jiao Tong University won the second prize of the 16th China International Industry Fair. Technology to improve the world, quality to establish the future. HSPK will always holding the banner of innovation. Spark passions with technology, change the industry with creativity, and together create a better future.